even if a certification is required to work at a company, it's not.
Yeah.
But having it gives you a better chance. So if you have two candidates, both of them have the exact same skill set, but one of them is certified, the other is not, I think he's going to be, his chance in being accepted will be a bit higher. But of course, I'm saying if they both have the exact same skills. Okay,
yeah,
so I mean, I know lots of users that haven't taken any exams at all, but they're experts in their field. So it's possible. But I'm saying if there are two that are at the same level and one is certified, he's probably just like standing out in the crowd. Okay, so he will probably get a better chance. So yeah, but as you said, knowledge is still the most important thing. So knowledge comes first, because when you think of it, you don't get certified unless you're qualified, and you don't get qualified unless you have enough knowledge, whether it's in the software, in practical uses of what you're designing, as in the professional advanced exams, as I said earlier in the session, industry related knowledge, that kind of stuff. All these things are needed before you even take the step and take the exam.